How to fix Instagram post music not available problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. After you're in the Play Store, simply search for Instagram, and then if there is any update available, make sure you update your Instagram. After you've done that, you can simply go back to your home screen and hold on to the Instagram app and uninstall it. Do this process only if your Instagram does not work after updating it. After you've uninstalled the app, install the app again, log into your Instagram account, open your Instagram, and try adding music, and it will be available. And this is how to fix Instagram post music not available problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.